Ithabo labo likhambisana nevalo. Isikolweni elimafia secondary izele ngabafundi abakulungeleka ukutlola inhlahlubo zikamethrigi. Abafundi aba babalwa nenengi lehlule ingogwana ye-COVID-19 ezenokuqindeliswa kwamakhambo. Abanengi bebafundile emakhaya ukusukela eminyakeni emibili edluleko, kanti bezwakalise imizwa yabo ngephepha lokuthoma le-English.
It's been a lot because even in the rain, even in the cold, in the odd hours, in the AMs, at night, we have been studying, we have been using every resource we have to actually get here.
I'm pretty nervous, but I don't know, I believe I got this.
UNgqongqotjhe wezefundo esisekelo uAngie Motshekga nabekaphekelelwa ngundunakulu weGauteng uPanyaza Sufi kuye nosomkhandlu wezefundo eGauteng uMatshekga bavakatshele isikolwesi ukuyokuqala ukuthi sikulungele na ukutlola kwenhlahlubo zikamethrigi.
There are a cohort that face the worst storm of COVID, but on the other hand, teachers, everybody, professionals, lended a hand to support them, so they also had the most support. So they were the most affected, but we gave them lots of support.
Okhulumela umnyango wezefundo esisekelo esifundeni lesi uSteve Mabona uthi nanyana kube nemintshakalo eminingi nje ebeyithikameza ihlelo lezefundo, kodwa njengomnyango wezefundo baqinisekisile ukuthi abafundi abasalele emva ngokubathatha babasendaweni ezihlukahlukeneko lapho bebafundiswa khona nanyana inkolo zivaliwe.
Basithokoze khulu amambala nekade sikhamba nosomkhandlu wezefundo lapha eGauteng omutsha lo umnomzana uMatume Chilwane. Batsho bathokoza bentwana bathawa. Sithokoza khulu into enisenzele yona ngoba amalungiselelo asihelebhile bekade basifundisa lapha basifundisa kuhle. Siyahuluphela ke ukuthi ithembiso ebasinikele yona yokuthi baza kuphumelela benze ukuthi eGauteng ibe ngaphezulu kwawo wonke province la ngitsho imfunda.
Ababelethe bebakhona namhlanje sesikolweni babawe uhulumende ukuthi ajamise ukuqindeliswa kwegezi isikhatshana ukufikela lapha abafundi bakamethrigi baqeda khona ukutlola.
With the study and everything for the kids, it's kind of frustrating with the load shedding and all that. COVID, we have overcome it.
Abafundi babonakele bathabile nabaqeda ukutlola namhlanje kanti balindeleke ukuthi batlole iphepha le-economics ne-Afrikaans ngelesibili nangelesithathu.